If financial statements are not part of your everyday life, understanding them can be very difficult. And in the not-for-profit world, those financial statements are even different because there's more complex rules and regulations that must be followed and different terminology. A lot of times with not-for-profit organizations, you have staff and volunteers that are making crucial decisions throughout the year about your programs and services that are provided under your organization's mission. It's beneficial for those people making those decisions, whether they are staff or volunteers like committee members and board members, to really have an understanding of what the story of your financial statements is really telling. On June 7th, I'm going to be going through the first part of my webinar series, which is going to be all about your organization's statement of financial position, or what you may know as the balance sheet. The statement of financial position is all about your organization's assets, liabilities, and net assets. It provides information at one point in time, so maybe at the end of your calendar year, December 31st, or the end of your fiscal year if you're a June 30 year end. You can also run this report at the end of each month. I'm also going to be going through some basic terminology regarding what basis of accounting your organization uses, whether it's cash basis or accrual basis, what temporarily and permanently restricted net assets are, and what current versus non-current assets and liabilities really mean. The second part of my web series is going to be on June 21st, which is going to be all about the statement of activities, or what in the for-profit world you may know as the income statement. The statement of activities shows the activity of your organization for a period of time. So if it's for the calendar year, it's going to be January 1 through December 31st, or you could even run it for a month at a time. This is going to be all about your revenues and your expenses. The revenues and the expenses of your organization are really the main drivers of the activity that's happening during that time period or that year. And it's what your decision makers are going to be analyzing to make important decisions, whether it's looking at year to year or budget versus actual results. I'm excited to be able to provide this two-part webinar series because I really hope that I can be able to give those making the decisions in your organization a little bit more of an understanding about what your financial statements really mean. They often can be very intimidating, and sometimes people kind of push them to the side because they really don't understand what they mean. So by going through these kind of basic ideas of what the financial statements are telling you, I really hope that you'll be able to make more educated decisions and feel more comfortable about those decisions throughout the year.